Welcome to Entry Funnies. This is your channel. Today I am going to introduce you a person who plays an important role in English language. He is none other than Mr. At. Mr. At and His Uses. Let's look at the example. Merlin is standing at the door. Where is Merlin standing? Merlin is standing at the door. The word at is used to show the relationship between Merlin and the door. Merlin is a noun. The door is a noun. The word at is used to show the relationship between noun and noun. Therefore, the word at is called as a preposition. Let's take one more example. She gets up at midnight and looks at me. When does she get up? She gets up at midnight. The word at is used to show the relationship between she and midnight. She is a pronoun. Midnight is a noun. The word at is used to show the relation between pronoun and midnight. Therefore, the word at is called a preposition. Prepositions are used before noun or pronoun. Let us look at the example. Merlin is standing at the door. Where is Merlin standing? At the door. The door is a noun. At is a preposition. The preposition at is used before the door. Prepositions are used before noun or pronoun. Look at the second example. She gets up at midnight and looks at me. Me is a pronoun. At is a preposition. At is used before pronoun, which is me. Prepositions are used to indicate the relationship between noun and noun. Merlin is standing at the door. Merlin is a noun. The door is a noun. There is a relationship between noun and noun. Prepositions are used to show the relationship between noun and pronoun. She gets up at midnight. She is a pronoun. Midnight is a noun. There is a relationship between she and midnight. There are different kinds of relations. Let us look at them. The preposition at indicates time. It indicates a place. It indicates a reaction. It indicates is. It indicates a direction. It indicates measurement. Bus stop, church, cinema theater, temple, hospital, and school. These are public places. Imagine that these places are located in the place of different areas. Now let's know the usage of the preposition at. The preposition at is used to show a definite point in place. Let's take an example. My friend is waiting for me at the bus stop. Where is my friend waiting for me? At the bus stop. At is a preposition. The bus stop is a place. My friend's location is at the bus stop, which is a definite point in place. My friend's location is not school, hospital, temple, cinema theater, and church. She is now at the church. Where is she now? At the church. At is a preposition. The church is a place. Her location is at the church, which is a definite point in place. Her location is not school, hospital, temple, and cinema theater. The train is at the junction. Where is the train? At the junction. At is a preposition. The junction is a place. The train's location is at the junction, which is a definite point in place. The train's location is not school, hospital, temple, cinema theater, church, and bus stop. They were at the cinema theater yesterday. Where were they yesterday? At the cinema theater. At is a preposition. The cinema theater is a place. Their location was at the cinema theater, which is a definite point in place. Their location was not school, hospital, temple, church, and bus stop. A definite point in time. The preposition at is used to show a definite point in time. Let's take some examples for this. You will reach Delhi at 8 o'clock. When will you reach Delhi? At 8 o'clock. At is a preposition. 8 o'clock is a timing word. At indicates a definite point in time. He studied at night. When did he study? At night. At is a preposition. Night is a timing word. At indicates a definite point in time. There was a pin drop silence at midnight. When was a pin drop silence? At midnight. At is a preposition. Midnight is a timing word. At indicates a definite point in time. He came at 12 o'clock. When did he come? At 12 o'clock. At is a preposition. 12 o'clock is a timing word. At indicates a definite point in time. Reaction. The preposition at is used for showing reaction. Let's know some examples. I am amazed at your performance. At is a preposition. Amazement is my reaction because of your performance. My brother was astonished at my decision. At is a preposition. Astonishment is my brother's reaction because of my decision. We were delighted at his success. At is a preposition. Delight is our reaction because of his success. He is disappointed at her behavior. At is a preposition. Disappointment is his reaction because of her behavior. Everybody was frightened at my health. At is a preposition. Frighten is everybody's reaction because of my health. Is. The preposition at is used for showing age. Let's know some examples for this. Chiranjeevi Sarja was died at 39. When was Chiranjeevi Sarja died? At 39. At is a preposition. 39 was the age of Chiranjeevi when he was died. Lata started singing at 8. When did Lata start singing? At 8. At is a preposition. 8 was the age of Lata when she started singing. Shankar Nag became a famous actor at the age of 36. When did Shankar Nag become a famous actor? At the age of 36. At is a preposition. 36 was the age of Shankar Nag when he became a famous actor. Rajkumar passed away at the age of 77. When did Rajkumar pass away? At the age of 77. At is a preposition. 77 was the age of Rajkumar when he passed away. Direction. The preposition at is used for showing direction. Now let's look at some examples for this preposition. She looked at me angrily. At is a preposition. She looked at me angrily means she looked towards me angrily. The word looked indicates direction. Don't stare at him. At is a preposition. Don't stare at him means don't stare towards him. The word stare indicates direction. He was gazing at the mountain. At is a preposition. He was gazing at the mountain means he was gazing towards the mountain. The word gazing indicates direction. The police rushed at the thief. At is a preposition. The police rushed at the thief means the police rushed towards the thief. The word rushed indicates direction. Measurement. The preposition at is used for showing measurement. Rate is in the form of measurement. Value is there in the form of measurement. Price is there in the form of measurement. Now let's look at the examples. Vendors sold mangoes at 250 rupees a dozen. 250 rupees is the price of mangoes. At is a preposition in the sentence. They charge interest at 10%. At is a preposition. Percentage indicates measurement. The plane was running at 300 kilometers per hour. At is a preposition. Kilometers is the measurement for distance. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. At is a preposition. Celsius is the measurement for temperature. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification.